In this video, we will look at practice mode. Practice mode is where Meta users who are not familiar with using the scanner can practice scanning. You can select the difficulty level and check the score results. Let's find out how to use it in detail. Practice mode can be used by activating the practice mode option in the Settings tab in MeditScan for clinics. Click Practice Mode on the bottom right of the MeditScan for Clinics window near the 3D view area to enter practice mode. This banner is displayed on a blank screen when there is no scan data associated with the case. If there is associated scan data with the case, the practice mode banner will not be displayed. First, you will need to download the sample model to practice scanning. Please turn on the scanner and scan the QR code attached to the practice model to download it. If the QR code is damaged, users can manually enter the serial number on the sticker. When the download is complete, click Next to select a difficulty level. The difficulty level ranges from beginner for users who are not familiar with intraoral scanners to expert and master. Choose the level that is right for you. The downloaded sample data will be displayed, and users must select the scan button to start practicing. Practice mode will display our recommended scan strategy that will help users capture the most accurate data. Please follow the instructions and the direction of the arrows to start scanning. When the scan data is acquired above a certain standard, a confirmation mark appears on the upper right, and users can check the practice result. Click View Results to check your score. The score is determined by the selected difficulty level, scan time, and the number of images captured. Users have the option to capture additional scans here. After capturing additional data, please select View Results again to see the results. Practice mode is intended to guide the user with our recommended scan strategy. Please note that acquired data in practice mode is not saved after completion. By using the practice mode, beginners, experts, and even masters can improve their scanning ability.